Symbol Manager Previews.
Hi everybody. In this new feature presentation for TurboCAD 15, we're looking at a couple small feature improvements related to the Symbol Manager. With version 15, we now can right-click inside the top of the Symbol Manager and get a list of options for displaying our symbols in the lower preview area. For example, you can now increase the size of the symbol to a large preview, and this really helps you get a better idea of the smaller details in some of these symbols. Or let's go to a medium size preview, and then back to the version 14 small previews. Something else that we've done that helps us view large amounts of data that are similar as we do in these nuts is the ability to now display the name right underneath the preview. And this helps us get an easier idea exactly what the symbol we may be dragging and dropping into our design. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.